Welcome to Mr. English Fast. Today, we're talking about a very common problem. You understand English, but when it's time to speak, nothing comes out. Or you speak very slowly, or you forget simple words. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you are not alone. Millions of English learners around the world experience the same challenge. You can understand movies, YouTube videos, and conversations, but speaking feels difficult. And sometimes you even think, why is my English stuck? Today, we are going to fix that. In this video, I will explain why you understand English but can't speak confidently, and I will give you 5 real practical tips to finally speak English more naturally, clearly, and confidently. These tips work. They are simple, and if you practice them, your English speaking will improve fast. Here is what we will do. First, you will learn the real reasons why you struggle to speak. Then, I will show you exactly how to fix each problem. And at the end, I will give you a small speaking challenge, so you can practice right away with me. You don't need perfect grammar today. You don't need a big vocabulary. You just need to listen, stay with me, and practice. Remember this: you do not learn to speak by only listening. You learn to speak by speaking, so stay until the end. Repeat after me when I ask, and let's build your English speaking power step by step. Are you ready? Let's begin. The real problem. Many English learners listen a lot, read a lot, and understand a lot. But when it's time to speak, their tongue freezes. Their mind goes blank. They feel shy or confused. Why does this happen? Because the brain learns language through output, not only input. Listen to this carefully. You cannot learn to speak by only listening. Just like you cannot learn to swim by watching swimming videos. You must jump into the water. English is the same. If you never move your mouth cannot learn English sounds. If you never build sentences, your brain cannot send language fast. So remember this rule. Input builds knowledge. Output builds fluency. Repeat with me. I need to speak to become a speaker. Repeat. Listening alone is not enough. Repeat. Practice makes my English active. Repeat. Good. So from today, don't only watch English. Don't only listen. Don't only study words. Start using English, even if it's small sentences. Even if you talk to yourself, your mouth needs training, just like your muscles. And in the next chapter, I will show you the best daily method to train speaking alone at home. You will see how fast your confidence grows. Take a breath. Smile, because you are already improving. Fear. Welcome back. Now you understand why listening alone is not enough. So the question is, how do you practice speaking every day, even if you have no one to talk to? Here is the secret routine used by successful English learners, and even by actors and singers. I call it the 3-step daily speaking system. Step 1: shadowing. Repeat after a native speaker. Even if you don't understand everything, your mouth learns the rhythm, the music of English, the flow, just like we are doing in this course. Step 2: mirror talk. Look in the mirror and talk to yourself for 2 minutes. Describe your day, talk about your plans, say your opinions. Why mirror talk? Because confidence starts with you. If you cannot speak to yourself, how will you speak to others? Step 3: speak with writing. Write one short sentence and then speak it out loud. For example, I went to the park today and I felt relaxed. See? Simple, small steps build big fluency. Remember, you do not need perfect grammar. You need movement. Movement in your tongue, movement in your brain, movement in your confidence. Practice every day, 5 to 10 minutes. Short time, big results. You are not waiting to be perfect. You are training to become better. Breathe, smile, and say this with me. I train my English every day. Repeat. I am improving. Repeat. I can speak English. Repeat. Beautiful. I will show you. A simple mindset change that stops fear and builds confidence fast. Stay with me. You're doing great. Routine. Welcome back to Mr. English Fast. In this chapter, you will learn the second reason why you understand English but cannot speak fluently. The reason is simple. You don't shadow enough. You listen, but you don't speak with the audio. Listening helps understanding. Speaking helps fluency. Shadowing means speaking at the same time as a native speaker. Copy the voice, rhythm, tone, and speed. This trains your mouth, your tongue, your breathing, and your confidence. Think about music. You cannot learn to sing by only listening. You must sing with the song. English is the same. To speak naturally, you must train like a speaker, not a silent watcher. Here is what you do. Choose short English audio. Play one sentence. Speak with it. Repeat 3 to 5 times. It can be podcasts, movies, YouTube videos, or my lessons. Start with slow speech. Then move to natural speed. Remember, shadow to speak. Don't only listen. In the next chapter, you will discover the third big reason why speaking feels difficult and how to fix it. Vocabulary issue. In this chapter, you will learn the third reason why you understand English but cannot speak fluently. The reason is you translate in your head. You think in your language first. Then you try to change it into English. That process is slow, and it creates stress, and it blocks fluency. Fluent speakers do not translate. They think in English directly. How do you train this skill? Start small. Use simple English thoughts every day. For example, I am cooking. I am going to the store. The weather is good today. I feel happy. Do not look for perfect grammar. Look for natural English thinking. Also, connect English with pictures, not your language. When you hear the word apple, see an apple in your mind, not the translation. Practice this daily. Think English, speak English, live English. In the next chapter, we will go deeper into another powerful reason that blocks fluency and how to overcome it fast. Stay with me. Your English is improving already. Thinking problem. Welcome back to Mr. English Fast. This is the final tip, and it is extremely important. Many learners understand English, but they cannot speak easily because they do not build automatic speaking habits. They think too much about grammar, about mistakes, about the right sentence. But fluent speakers don't think. They speak automatically. Automatic English comes from repeating real phrases until they become natural. For example, can you help me? Let me think. I'm not sure. That sounds great. I totally agree. Repeat phrases like these every day. Use them in real or imaginary conversations. Say them out loud, not silently. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is automatic reaction. The more you repeat natural English, the faster your brain will respond when you speak. Remember, speaking is not knowledge. Speaking is habit. Build the habit. Repeat daily. Speak daily. And English will become automatic for you. In the next chapter, we will review the lessons and motivate you to continue your English journey with confidence. You are doing great. Keep going. Challenge. Today, we learned why many people understand English, but still can't speak fluently. Remember, speaking improves with speaking, not just listening. Here is your small homework. Speak English for 5 minutes today. You can shadow this video or talk about your day. Just speak. Don't wait for perfect English. Keep going. You are improving every day. Believe in yourself. You can do this. Before you go, subscribe to the channel, comment, "I will speak today," and turn on the bell. Remember, we have another lesson together soon. See you in the next class. Keep practicing. You are on the right path.